The country's Department of Trade and Industry has tabled proposed amendments that could have far-reaching consequences on copyright and patents.
The first is that the bill introduces an intellectual property tribunal that will deal not only with copyright but also with patents. And secondly is that the government is asserting a right to the copyright in any work once the author dies, whereas the current rule and the rule internationally is that copyright continues for 50 years after the death of an author.
So in effect, that means that the South African government will accrue any financial benefit. But what about foreigners? Surely they are protected.
There are very famous authors in the world. We might pick, for example, J.K. Rowling, who has done the Harry Potter books, who makes a huge amount of money from the popularity of her work. Well, this is an extraordinary thing, but if she were to die, under this rule, the government would claim the benefit of all copies of her books that are sold in this country.
It doesn't stop there. The proposed amendments now include patents. Patents are meant to protect inventions for 20 years, which is the international norm. Under the proposed amendments, there's a view that South African and foreign inventions and inventors may not be protected. For example, South African businessman Elon Musk's Powerwall invention may be at risk.
New intellectual property tribunal will be able to grant compulsory licenses which allow the copying of patented products against royalties which will be decided by the minister and will probably have very little bearing on either research and development costs or market principles.
Copyright and patent law are one of the basic tenets of any industrialized capitalist type society, and if those rights of copyright and patent are eroded, it doesn't send a really good message to people who are looking to invent things or looking to invest. I'm Angelo Coppola for CCTV in Johannesburg, South Africa.